Hi, I'm Lynn with WTI.
Who doesn't like a treasure chest? As you can see, there is plenty of room, and I use them often to put away special items such as my sari. I use them to store special clothing or other items. This wooden storage trunk and chest set by Juvale is wonderful. They are beautifully designed with wonderful artistic maps. I have enjoyed these trunks and little chests decorating my room. These lovely chests are beautifully constructed. As you can see, the wonderful wood here. And the handles are strong and the chests are very durable. In fact, while doing a big move, I was able to put almost all of my clothing in the boxes. And it's amazing how much you can put in these boxes. Then I would use 2 boxes and I would take both of these up to my hotel room, and I had everything I needed for the night. They can stand on top of each other to create a beautiful item in my room that's a pleasure to look at.
And that's my point of view.